Are you tired of your drinks not staying the perfect temperature for long enough? Meet the Stanley Quencher H2.0 40-ounce tumbler, the solution to all your hydration needs. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 is a versatile 40-ounce stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler designed to keep your drinks cold or hot for hours. Perfect for water, iced tea, coffee, smoothies, and more. Let's talk features. Double wall vacuum insulation keeps drinks cold, iced, or hot for hours. Advanced flow state lid features a rotating cover with 3 positions, a straw opening, a drink opening, and a full cover top for added leak resistance. Ergonomic handle. Comfort grip inserts make it easy to carry wherever you go. Sustainable construction, made from 90% recycled BPA-free stainless steel. Dishwasher safe, easy to clean and maintain. Narrow base, fits most car cup holders. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: exceptional insulation for hot and cold drinks. Durable and eco-friendly construction. Versatile and spill-resistant lid design. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Comfortable to carry with a sturdy handle. Cons: straw opening may leak if tipped over. The large size may not fit all cup holders. Here's what some customers have to say. Finally, an insulated water bottle that can be placed in the dishwasher without worrying about impacting its integrity. 4.6 out of 5 stars from 1,162 ratings. I love this Stanley Cup. It's perfect for long days and road trips, keeping drinks cold for hours. In conclusion, the Stanley Quencher H2.0 40-ounce tumbler is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to keep their drinks at the perfect temperature all day long. It's durable, sustainable, and convenient. Interested in getting one for yourself? Check out the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you for watching.